Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to sync Jira and Notion. To sync Jira and Notion, first of all you need to go to this website with Notion and search for it by typing Notion. Then click on this link. Then on the new website you will actually see here there is an option called settings. Click here. Then a new page will appear. From here click on the option called my connections. Then click on the see all option. Go down a bit and you will see this option called Jira. Click on connect option below. Then here you will see this error, nothing to panic. Click on the direct link provided here. Then a new website will appear. From here click on the option called get started. Then log in with your Gmail. From here click on sign up option. It will take a while to load. Then set the name you want to give your website here. Tell us what you want to work on here. I select one and then again go to the Notion website and click on Jira Connect here. Then I will gonna down a little bit from here and click on the option called accept. After waiting for a while, you will see it connected directly. And that's it. You have successfully synced Jira with Notion. Thanks for watching.